on my 2015 Ultra Limited. I just got this tonight at Gibtown Bike Fest from Rumblin' Pride. The owners there, Heather and Kevin, they got me in and out in about an hour. And the sale price for the light kit installed, no tax, out the door, $425 this weekend at Gibtown Bike Fest only. Be sure to look them up, guys. Remote control here, lots and lots and lots of features. Lots of modes, lots of settings. You can change the speed. It's got audio sensitivity for your music or your pipes or whatever. I mean, it's amazing. This one little remote in 1 hour of my time has completely transformed my bike that I just got a week ago, and I'm just overly impressed. I'm going to do a quick once around and let you see. So it's up in the fender and the front wheel. The entire engine compartment, under the tanks on both sides, and at the back over the starter. And underneath both bags, saddlebags, and underneath the trunk as well. And it's all the way around. One neat feature about Rumblin' Pride setup, they are the OEM for this product. They designed it themselves. They worked with the manufacturers for the chips and the remotes and the patterns. Even the LED lights are wrapped in a, heat-resistant, waterproof, soft silicone gel case that the LEDs go in. As you can see for yourself, they're super bright. Yeah, it's a really amazing product. I couldn't say enough about it. $425, 1 hour out the door. Be sure to go and check them out. Oh, the special feature. All these lights that are changing colors from the front of the bike to all the way to the back of the bike. When you hit the brakes, all the brake lights and all three saddlebags, or the saddlebags and the trunk lights, they all modulate for 3 seconds. The entire bike turns red, front to back. And then everything in the back flashes for 3 seconds, strobes for 3 seconds. And then the whole bike stays red as long as you're on the brakes. Really cool feature.